Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Auth Library in Node.js. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use your Auth Library of Google, you just simply have to open any of your browser, and after that just simply search for Google Auth Library. Then this second option of Google Cloud with the Google Auth Library Node.js client option. Just simply tap into that, and after that you'll get to see this page, and from here you can easily have access to Google Auth Library Node.js client. Just simply select any of the suitable options. You are all good to go. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.